Let's learn how to make a front loop and a back loop crochet stitch. You will notice that the top of your row contains 2 loops of front and a back loop. Normally we work through both loops, but sometimes a pattern will ask us to choose a loop. For the first 2 rows, we will work through the front loop only. So note the back loop, but insert your hook into the front loop. The front loop only stitch can be worked with any stitch. We're doing a single crochet front loop stitch, but it could just as easily be a double crochet, a half double crochet, or a treble crochet. Continue working through this row in the front loop only, and then chain 1 and turn. We will again practice on this row by working in the front loop only. Notice how the loop from row 1 is open. Sometimes a pattern will have you attach your yarn in this loop and work a surface crochet stitch. At the end of this row, chain 1 and turn. For the next 2 rows, we will work in the back loop only. Insert your hook in the back loop and pull up a loop and continue the single crochet. Repeat this across the row. When you get to the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Continue practicing on the next row by working in the back loop only. Sometimes a combination of front and back crochet will be used to make ribbing. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe.